Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can change your Phantom wallet display currency from dollars to euros. So let's get started. Now the display currency is this one right here that reflects the whole portfolio of your Phantom wallet. So I have it currently set to dollars, as you can see. Also this is the default one, so depending on your country you would be able to change it. Now from here, once you have your Phantom wallet opened up, to change your currency you would need to go to your profile right here in the upper left corner. Then on the Accounts tab or your Profile tab, you would need to click on the General Settings icon. So this one right here in the upper right corner. Now the general settings relate to every one of the wallets that you have added to the Phantom wallet app. So keep that in mind. So from here, to change the currency, go ahead and click on Preferences. And in the Preferences tab, you will need to click on the currency right here. And here you can see all the currencies that Phantom wallet supports. So I will select euros as we mentioned. And now your currency is set to euros. So let's go ahead and check how it looks. And there we go. Now, as you can see, the euros are displayed right here and recalculated from dollars to euros. Also, you would be able to see the euro amount right here for each individual asset. So that's, guys, how you can change the Phantom wallet currency from dollars to euros. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.